woods right now. We are doing the chest mount. Gonna take you guys through this. It's a little skill section, and at the end there's a little jump, so let's go. Most of it. I'm gonna ring the bell. Then we go down to this flow section with the jump at the end. We're out today. Staying away from the mud as much as I can. There you go. There's the chest view on that little section. We're gonna keep going. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Gonna be trying out different views with the camera. Really liking it so far. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.